Micropayments have always been an area that has taunted Bitcoin. But with the implementation of the Lightning Network, the increase in transaction speed has allowed for some companies to develop real-world technical solutions that are being used to solve Africa's problems right here on our doorstep. Francois, you are building something quite amazing at Authgate. What exactly is this?
Yes, Ran. So basically what we've done is, for the last 25 years, people have tried to take transactions online. Everything is online. We're going the reverse. We're taking the online transactions back offline. So we're actually making it possible for merchants, physical shops and brick and mortar shops to take payments, lightning payments.
So what is this and how does it work?
It's basically, it's a small, not connected device, so it doesn't have an internet connection by itself. We're using something called BLE, Bluetooth Low Energy, and via phone we can actually connect to this device. Now this device is used by a merchant, so it's a merchant-owned device, and this device enables a merchant to accept Bitcoin Lightning transactions.
Okay, so slowly, what you're saying is that if I'm a merchant,
yes,
I'm going to have this device somewhere on a lanyard, maybe even in my hand.
Yeah.
And people can use their mobile phone and the Lightning Network to pay me onto this device?
That's correct, yes. And it's the standard Lightning Network function that we use. The only thing that we do is we're taking the confirmation from the internet and basically present it to the merchant in the form of a...
Okay, so show me how it works, because I'm a little bit confused.
Okay, so I'm just going to do a transaction there to your side. So you can sort of tell me what to pay, what the amount is. Just press the button on your...
So I'm a merchant, I press the button.
Right. That's right. And then I touch your device. Now you give me an amount to pay.
Okay, so let's say I give you an amount of 10 Rand.
10 Rand, okay. So I'm going to write 10 Rand. Confirm it, yes. On your side it shows 10 Rand.
So now I'm going to press 10 Rand and I'm...
Confirm. And the transaction is now done by my phone on the internet. Once it's been completed, it sends the confirmation to your device.
So it says payment approved. Does that mean that as the vendor, I've now got my money?
That's right. The transaction has already been done on the internet. My client node has basically paid your merchant node. You gave me a digital certificate from your merchant node, and I presented it to your device, and your device knows that the payment has completed.
And is this all done using the Lightning Network?
Exactly, yeah. It's the straight Lightning Network. We haven't made any changes to it. We just added a small service to it to generate digital certificates, and the rest is...
So what you're saying is that if I'm a vendor, or maybe even a vending machine, or a merchant...
That's right. Parking meters, any device that wants to accept payments can now be done with Lightning in a very simple, straightforward, cheap way.
I mean, that took less than 2 seconds.
Yeah, about between 2 and 3 seconds. Yeah.
How do you convert between Bitcoin and the currency that was transferred? And in this case, it was a South African Rand.
Yeah. So what we've done is we've recognized that merchants don't really want Bitcoins. Not all merchants want Bitcoins. They want to be paid in the local currency. So what we do is we do a transaction to the merchant with Bitcoins, but as part of the transaction, we also give him a voucher, but you could say, for the same amount in Rands. And the merchant has 10 minutes, or his server has 10 minutes to basically redeem that voucher for the cash value of Bitcoins.
Can he accept Bitcoin and hold Bitcoin?
Yeah, he can do that. Yeah, it's absolutely possible. The only thing that happens on that side is the client's Bitcoin stash, you could say, is reduced over time.
And where is the Bitcoin actually stored? Because it's not stored on this device.
No, it's not stored. That's a payment confirmation device. So we confirm the payment on that, and it's done with what we call a payment attestation certificate that we send to the device. But the device doesn't really do the transaction. It only tells me, or basically my phone tells the device that the payment has been completed.
So the merchant will have to have a Bitcoin wallet at the back of this, as well as a physical wallet for normal currency.
That's right, yes.
Francois, it looks amazing. If our viewers want to learn more about it, where can they go?
They can go to our website, authgate.com. Send us a message over there. We're working with companies that do payments like this. We're not a payments company ourselves, but we enable the payments using Bitcoin Lightning.
And Francois, who do you see using this?
Well, the market is varied. It can go from the automated kind of vending kind of machines, the parking meters and the vending machines and renting and buying tickets and that sort of thing, all the way up to small merchants, medium merchants, even the large retailers can probably use this eventually.
That's all the time we have for tonight.